Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Deconstruct Clearing Serum 2% Alpha Arbutin plus 5% Niacinamide. Quantity is 30 ml. Price is 699 rupees. This is the full quantity and full price. And for 10 ml quantity, you can buy that for the 2 trial points on the Smitten application. You can find that product in the trial section of the Smitten application. This product is available on Nykaa, Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, Smitten, and on the the Deconstruct website too. This is non-sponsored video. Alpha Arbutin helps in diminishing the skin tanning and reduces the pigmentation. Niacinamide reduces the skin redness and helps with the UV protection. Cruelty-free, dermatologically tested, SLS or paraben-free, fragrance-free. Made in India product. Let's see how to use this. Apply 2 to 3 drops onto the dry skin after cleansing. Use fingertips to spread all evenly across the face until absorbed. Follow up with the moisturizer and sunscreen. Can be used in the morning and in the evening skincare routine. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive skin. I have exhausted the whole bottle. This didn't reduce the dark spots. I need really strong formula. But yes, for beginners or the super sensitive skin people, this one is fine. I didn't see any skin brightening effect. Little bit hydration, watery lightweight consistency, runny liquidy, non-sticky, non-greasy, and non-comedogenic. I have used it continuously to see the whole clear results, but didn't change my skin. No reduction in acne, nothing happened. So I will not buy the full size. I had bought this for 2 trial points, 10 ml quantity from the Smitten application, as I had already mentioned. You can share your reviews if you have also tried this. And yes, that's my review. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.